Today, I am going to introduce the first ever 48-inch French door built-in refrigerator that is uniquely designed with some really cool features that I want to show. When you open it up and you see the cavity, you're going to have a unique large capacity of 26 cubic feet. All of our door bins have adjustability, so you can combine those larger bottles, jars, things like that. These also can be removed for cleaning purposes, or if you want to use it as a serving tray, put all your condiments here for a barbecue or something like that. The frame stays in place so you know where it belongs. And then, if you haven't seen this already, head down to Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center to take a look at our lift and go drawers. These are very easy to take out, easy to clean, and they are dishwasher safe. If you want to experience the first 48-inch French door built-in refrigerator in person, head to Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Calabasas, Studio City, Torrance, Costa Mesa, and Santa Clarita.